The naked truth? I'm doing really, really well. And I feel fabulous because I just had the most wonderful shower. Let me go get some clothes on and we will discuss. Good morning. Woo! I have had the most beautiful walk. Just got home, walked the kids to school. It's a crisp, gorgeous early spring morning. My daughter, Mimi, asked if I would walk with them, and I thought, yes, absolutely. It is now, as of this filming, 26 days till our next Disneyland trip, and I am definitely not ready physically for the 10 plus miles a day we'll be doing for 5 days in a row. So we got to get on it. So I walked them to school, came home just now. I have got a list, 3 pages of lists of things to do. They're not all going to get done today. It's more for this week, but I'm just going to start going through and busting them out, and going to walk the kids to school every day this week. And then I also have a couple of errands that are in within walking distance, like taking things to the post box, picking up prescriptions, things like that, going to the doctor's office, stuff that is within walking distance. Anything and everything that I can possibly walk to from here until 26 days from now when we go to Disneyland, I'm going to walk. Well, today we are 23 days out from Disneyland, or 22 days. I don't know, but I woke up so sore, and I even took yesterday off from walking the kids to school. But then, of course, I jumped in deep to spring cleaning and deep cleaning, and then spent the afternoon playing basketball with my son. Oh my goodness, I've started all these projects. Yeah, I woke up barely able to move today. I mean, barely able to move. Holy cow. So I did a bunch of stretching. I am going to just, like, every few hours today take some time out and stretch. I just dropped off my daughter. I've got to get the other 2 to school. I've got to go pick up our grocery order. And I'm going to try to pace myself today. I have several things on the list that have to get done today, and some of them are pretty physical. I am walking the kids to school today because, I mean, this is just a preview of how hard it's going to be at Disneyland if I am not pushing it now and not overdoing it like crazy, but just pushing as I'm trying to get ready for all the walking we're going to do at Disneyland. And that's what this is showing me. So I am going to walk them to school today, but I'm not going to do any extra. Tomorrow I am going to walk them to school again, and I will be trying to do some extra and push it a little further. But the main thing today is going to be stretching. Just lots and lots of stretching, heating pads, ice, ibuprofen, all of that kind of thing, just to stay on top of it and not get, you know, so stiff. And but I am doing good. That's the I'm in pain, but I'm progressing and I'm doing well, and that right there is the truth. Please tell me in the comments how you are doing with your goals and things you're trying to improve in your life. All right, I look forward to hearing your updates, and we'll see you all real soon.